Luar Kapatisi TV.
Admissions open for degree courses in St. Khasi College. Various VTC courses are offered along with majors in many subjects. Pay reasonable fees in installments. Meritorious students will be given fees concession.
Khasi Students Union Southwest Khasi Hills District haka nyautarek ujamang arja penriu kala penrem yak jingle thurmur ka Office Agriculture Development Officer Ranikor CNRD Block dak bapa shithi shakashinong arpsan mile haka ketin garu. Kaseng kalakan tho ba kumno ka office kamwat benia haka bakadon ka ordinance bala menjur menta usnam arja penriu dak sarkar ka bakdo shai haka section 4 ka baong. Wadlah haka jalla la itu yaka ketin Khasi garu bad English kumki ketin sorkar bad nalor kata la kadaw haka ketin any bahaki jaka ki bahab hari lom Khasi bad jaintia la ban pendon kam tang daka ketin Khasi lani English om ki weipat ki ketin haka bedai bad kani ka Office Agriculture Development Officer Ranikor CNRD Block Southwest Khasi Hills kalapha yaka shithi panma ban pentebru baka jingpha yaka shithi haka ketin garu kadai tang ka jing bakla namar baka office kalapan kre yaki shithi haka ketin Khasi bad haka ketin garu
nagalian ka kisu Southwest District lengba ka tenat cultural cell hadin ba loi ya ketuga City kepala Pak daka district daka agriculture development officer jungka Ranikor CNRD block haga snong arpsan mai dakiktin karo nagaliang gaseng ni penpau gajing persyak gajing sngokia bat penremjur haga ju kapor yak ne gajing le thurmur ka jong ka office ka ba klem dati benya lane klem da perkat ya gajing snong joginong song snong haga to snong arpsan mai ka ba khamtam joginong song snong jong himalangrin kasang ka kanto ba kumno ka office kamtip ya lane kamwat benya ya kane ka benta berkala jupa lapa kumto haga jing sha kane ka snong ka ba kinong song snong gidai Khasi usor da snong to de Khasi mde karo tinilongo kum kaseng balai ba kane ka office ka pha pade ya kane ki city hakitin karo tinakaliang kaseng hagis ka haga ordinance berang splashen dak sarkar Meghalaya lengba ka Meghalaya official languages ordinance arjar punreu ka balak dog syai haga section ka basaw ka ong warla ya kaktin warla haga jala jungi le itu ya kaktin Khasi kaktin karo bar kaktin English kum kita ki official languages handrai ala kedau pat haga ne kaan bagi jaka bahap ha Khasi jantia kinumla ban pendon kam de ki we pat ki kaktin like na kaktin Khasi bat kaktin English kasang ka penremjur bar kamaham ru ya baro ki office sarkar lane kino bahaba ki pha jingtip ha la pha jingtip ne jingtho nang ne shakmat khamtam ki snong ki badai ki snong Khasi kimdai ban pha da kum kini ki jakitin re ki dai ban pha ba ka tin English lane ha ka tin Khasi hoit nagaliang jungi ni nagaliang jungi ong ba phila ban nang sibun ki jakitin ndrai kamut pa ba hagi jaka kiba dan Khasi pimpin don kam de gue perkentin namar gane kan kta ikinong snong jong ka to snong kan kta ya ka dong katany kan kta aru ya ka jat bener Khasi tinang nei sakmar ka seng ka mahamjur ka kentujur ya ki tenat trekam jong ka sarkar barok nen kino baba ki pha ya ki jingtip ne ki jingtho haki snong Khasi ki bahap apo Southwest District kimdai ban pha de gue ki jakitin barkane ka jing bakala ka bamenta lane ka jing lek knang na leng ka sengim la ban tib ekta ndrai nang ne sakmat kimdai su banang jia kum kine ki jing jia.
Mornings are always busy.
Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.